Here's how to fix Roblox from crashing on your iPhone or iPad. Now, if you open up Roblox and you start playing a game, but then it crashes on you, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing is fairly simple. Let's head into the App Store here, and we're just going to see if there's an update. A lot of times, bugs and glitches are fixed through updates. So let's tap on search here, and we're just going to search for Roblox. Now, right next to Roblox, if it says open, then it is fully updated. If it does say update, just tap on the update button to get the latest version. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing that we'll do is hop out of here and we'll go into your settings. Now, on here, you can scroll down a little bit and you can see general right under battery. Let's tap on that. And then we can tap on background app refresh. Now, if you turn this on for the Roblox app, a lot of times this fixes it. So I'm going to turn this on and make sure if I scroll down towards the bottom, Roblox here is turned on so that it can refresh in the background. If that doesn't fix it, what we're going to do is clear the cache and temporary files for the app and just force update it. So to do that, we're going to go back to the very beginning here. We're going to scroll down and we're going to tap on General, and then you can tap on iPhone Storage. Now from here, it'll show you every single app on your phone, and you're just going to find the Roblox app. So scroll down and tap on Roblox. The nice thing is you can offload this and reinstall it. And as I said, this removes all the cache and temporary files and force updates it, and a lot of times fixes bugs or glitches in the Roblox app itself. Now, if that doesn't fix it, the next thing that I would recommend doing is going back out of here to the very beginning. We'll tap on General again towards the bottom. Scroll down here and then tap on the shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and rebooting it fixes a lot of issues with your phone and apps running on your phone. If you go through this entire process, then potentially you have an older iPhone or an iPad and it just can't keep up with Roblox and the resource-intensive processes that Roblox is using, and you might need to upgrade your device or just kind of live with a slower, lagging, or glitching Roblox. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.